welcome to your YouTube channel DAV Tutor one and only. Okay everyone, so from today onwards I have started uploading videos for class 8 chapter 1, of course maths, squares and square roots through shorts. Go on, please check them first and then come to this video. So in this video we are going to deal about squares and square roots and their facts, students. So let us see one by one. So the first thing which we are going to deal is which of the following numbers are perfect squares. Students, now tell me what are perfect squares. So the number which gives you this means जब आप किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो वही उसी नंबर से, तब जो आपको रिजल्ट मिलता है वो इस नंबर का स्क्वायर होता है, राइट? एंड जो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज द रूट ऑफ दैट नंबर, इजंट इट? तो जब कोई आपको ऐसा नंबर मिले जो बिना किसी डेसिमल के ही डायरेक्टली वो आपको एक स्क्वायर दे, तो वो एक स्क्वायर रूट होता है. दैट नंबर जिसका एक परफेक्ट रूट होता है बिना किसी डेसिमल के इन्वॉल्वमेंट के, तो वो नंबर एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होता है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेक 4, राइट? तो अब आप इसका रूट देख लो, तो रूट होता है 2 बिकॉज 2 into 2 is 4, राइट? तो 2 स्क्वायर. एंड यहाँ पर जब आपने इसका रूट देखा 2, देन डिड यू फाइंड एनी डेसिमल प्लेसेस हियर? नो. So therefore it is considered to be a perfect square. So students, how to check that the number is a perfect square or not? So let us see. Now before going to these numbers, you first see the conditions. I am writing here that a number will be considered a perfect square if its prime factorization, students. Have you all remembered prime factorization? Of course, like prime factorization of 4 is 2 into 2 and 6 is 2 into 3, isn't it? Likewise, I am talking about that only. So let us write the prime factorization of 2, 5, 6. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and one more group, right? So now what are you observing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see here I have get the pair, isn't it? I've got the pair of 2's. So that is only the perfect square. Any number which is in pair, the prime factorization should give you the pair of prime numbers, isn't it? When you get the pair of that prime factors, then you get a square. Then the number is considered to be the perfect square. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 pairs I got of 2. 2 is what? 2 is a prime number, right? And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of prime number, that is 2. So take one common from everyone. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. So 16 is what? It is a root. It is a root of 2, 5, 6. So we write 16 square, isn't it? We have already studied what is why is the 16 square, because 16 into 16 will give you 26, because it is the area of the square which is having one side at 16 centimeter. Did you get? Yes, thank you. And now for example 154 is the next number. So now let's see this. What is the difference you will see? So I am not rubbing this part. Instead of rubbing, I am writing here so that you can observe it clearly. Let me write its prime factorization, that is 2 into 7 into 11. So student, now you need to observe that 2 is the prime number, of course, 7 and 11 all are prime numbers. But can you see any of them in pair? No, right? No one is in pair. So when the prime numbers are not in pair in the prime factorization, then the number will not considered as perfect square. Understood? Now the next example is 720. So now I'm rubbing the above situation, please. Now for 720, the prime factorization is this, right? So now observe the numbers. Here 2 into 2 is in pair, took 1, right? 2 into 2 is in pair, again we got. 3 as well we got in pair, but did you get 5 as pair? No. So 5 is not in pair, so what, student? Is it a perfect square? Yes or not? Yes. Of course it is a perfect square. No. Very good. So no is the answer because 5 is left ungrouped. 5 is left ungrouped, and that is why it is not considered to be a perfect square. So I think now you have understood about the fact that on what basis you considered it as perfect square. So let me write in one line so that you can understand everything in very simple way. So here is the thing. Any number whose prime factorization is in pair of prime numbers is said to be a perfect square, where none of the numbers should be ungrouped. As I've told about 720, 5 was ungrouped, therefore the number didn't consider as perfect square. But 256, all the prime numbers means 2 were in groups in pair of 2. Of course, a pair is group of 2. The pair of 2s are were present there, therefore 256 are called as perfect square. And the number which follow the rule of prime factorization as 256, they will call as perfect squares. And with this thing you have also learned that how to take out the square root, didn't you? Let's see. Like you take 36. Okay, so we saw that any number having prime factorization or which has the pair of prime numbers are perfect squares. And when I took common through the 2 into 2, I took common 2, and likewise the same numbers, then we multiply as we choose HCF or LCM which we do. Likewise we do, and we get the root of that number. So how to find the square root by using prime factorization you will learn in this video. So let us take out the prime factorization of 36. So it is 2, 18, then 2, 9, 3, 3 and 3. So students, you can notice very clearly that you can find 2 and 3 is in pair, isn't it? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So here you see 3 in pair, so take 1 3 common. Here you see 2 is in pair, so take 1 2 common. So now multiply 2 into 3, so 6. 6 square we write because 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, not 6 is only 36. 6 into 6 is 36. Is it? 6 into 6 is what? 36. So this is the area, means the square, and this is the square root, means one side of that square whose area is 36. That is 6 is the root of that number. 36 is equal to 6. So students, you may wonder that what is this sign I use? So this is the sign of under root. So 36 under root means what is the root of 36? So 6. I hope you must have learned about how to get the perfect square, the square root through prime factorization, and initiating the videos you will get more facts about squares which are present in the book of class 8 provided by DAV and worksheets as well, with all the concepts through videos as well. Check out all the videos and subscribe to DAV Tutor and get ready for your next class ahead, and very all the best to all of you for your new journey, class 8. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.